Ever since their appearance, Ceramic Pro protective coatings have occupied the leading positions on the market, and this has many reasons for. Our products are manufactured with medical-grade equipment that guarantees high quality and purity of our coatings, while waste-free production method allows preserving the ecology of nearby territories. The main R&D center and factory of the company are situated in a special green zone of Taiwan Island, which would have been impossible if our manufacturing process involved harmful emissions and waste. Not only Ceramic Pro coatings are unique, but their packaging is as well. The design and special shape of the boxes require high-precision robotic equipment and quality to manufacture. As a rule, the factories that can produce such packaging take only large quantity orders. Setting up such production at home conditions is impossible, which is another level of protection from fakes. Recently, more and more fakes of our coatings appear on the market. Such products have not been certified and may be dangerous for you and your belongings. Beware of fakes. Every Ceramic Pro product has several levels of protection, including quality of the products, packaging and unique barcodes, linked to a country and an official partner that has purchased it. Ceramic Pro is uncompromised quality and protection of your favorite belongings. If it's protection, it's Ceramic Pro.